PERN's technical services restored the full functionality of the damaged pipeline used to deliver crude oil to the company's German customers on Saturday, PERN said in a statement. The leak was discovered late on Tuesday, October 11th, and PERN said the next day that there was no sign that third party interference caused the damage. The leak, around 70 kilometers west from Poland's Płock refinery, led to a reduction in Russian oil supplies to Germany via Poland. Europe has been on high alert over the security of its energy infrastructure since major leaks were found last month in the Nord Stream 1 and 2 gas pipelines running from Russia to Europe under the Baltic Sea. Both the West and Russia have blamed sabotage. The causes that led to the leakage are being investigated. Currently, the activity of PERN services is focused on clearing the area and restoring it to its original condition, PERN said in a statement earlier today.